वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे, सीधा लिए चलते हैं आपको वहां.
That many of our students had to leave the hostels. But during the past few days, we have taken several steps to ensure that there is safety and security for the students. We have enhanced the security in the hostel sector. We have given written letters to the Delhi police to ensure that there are police at the gates, there are police in the civil dress in the campus to make sure that innocent students are not hurt, their safety and security is maintained. And it's very heartening to know that thousands of students are now registering. Almost every school is now open. And even if a couple of schools are not open, such as School of Environmental Science, School of Life Sciences, it is very clear that those half a dozen students who are sitting there, what are their supervisors doing? Why are they not talking to these students and tell how much the JNU administration has been flexible and how they are destroying the lives of their own fellow students? It is very clear that the teachers who are in complicity with some of these activist students are actually making sure that there is no normalcy in this university. I would like to ask these teachers who are trying to be with these activist students and create disturbance in the university, what are you doing to the future of this university? Do you stand with the progress and the development of this university, or do you want to stand with the destruction of this university? I think some of these teachers also have to reflect and see what kind of damage they are doing to the university by being with the activist students instead of standing with thousands of innocent students who would like to pursue their academic activities. I would like to assure you on behalf of the JNU administration that we are very flexible to your needs, and we will make sure that all of you can live on this campus peacefully and continue with your academic activities. I am very, very grateful to you for coming at such a short notice. You are the representatives, you represent the entire silent majority of this university who are suffering because of the adamant behavior of few activist students.
और सुना